walking.
We are at Thomas the Train in Essex, Connecticut on April 26th.
Uncle Bill's birthday.
Uncle Bill's birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle Bill.
What? Fiona.
Oh, look, here's the train, look. Look, Daddy is allowed.
Here we go. Very busy. It's so nice to join you here today. I know.
Looks like Brad has just arrived. He's at the will call window, and the folks are getting anxious about getting on the train. I think we're going. Guess who's coming to the train? Guess who's coming? Guess who's coming?
Hi, Fiona.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi, Penny.
Ooh, does that ever sound nice? Yeah. That's Thomas. It's the puller train. It's going to pull the cars out of the station on this one. Yeah, what kind of freedom with this train? Who is that?
It's the baby, series of baby conniptions.
Look at that. Always drinking, always drinking.
Say hi, Grampy.
Kim, turn around, say hello.
Hello. I'm very
And Brad,
excited to go on
oh dear, and there's Chandler. We're missing Christina. Benjamin. Benjamin? Where are you?
Say hi. Show me your Thomas the Train shirt there.
Oh, look at that. He knows where he is. Thomas the Train.
That's right.
Smile. Where are you?
Yay, Thomas the Train.
Going on Fiona's train with Thomas. And over on this side we got, oh my goodness, the crew.
want to touch you. I don't want to touch you.
Gotta get out there.
Hey, Ben.
And,
We're going away. Thomas is pulling us.
Thomas had plenty of fresh coal in his bunker and nice clean water in his tanks. That's right, because Thomas is a tank engine.
Benjamin, are we moving?
So we also took good care of number 3025 with fresh coal and fresh water protector. And of course, Sir Topham that night had his idea for Thomas to come here. Did you know that? Yes.
Enjoying the ride, Fiona? Oh, and there's Nana.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes he takes them on school trips or into town. Or even down to the seaside. For the kids, a trip with Thomas.
Who I thought it was. Oh my goodness. Hi there. How you doing? Oh, look at that. A regular showstopper. Hi. Acrobat. Cirque du Soleil is looking for you.
Dancing?
Are you gonna, will you be able to sit still while we have lunch? Huh? Could you sit still while we have lunch today? All right.
Kept us very busy on the island of Sodor. It's so nice to join you here today. I know Percy just can't wait to tell the other engines about our adventures.
You see that?
What did Thomas say? What did Thomas say? He's talking.
What a special day.
Is it?
It's a great adventure to join you in your town for a day out with Thomas. I'm really excited to be with all my friends. I hope you are all having as much fun as I am today.
Ma prepares lunch. Ah, yes. Here comes the lunch wagon. Yeah, look out, friend.
My cheeseburger?
Fiona?
My cheeseburger? Cheeseburger?
Looks like the hermetically sealed family has arrived.
Mustard too?
Hey, Benjamin? Where did you get that mustard all over your face?
You want to remember the whole experience.
Did you see that other one?
Wave bye-bye.
Here's your hat.
Little engineer, come on. Put your certified engineer hat on.
Put your hat on. Put it on your head.
That's your Thomas hat.
Here you go. Oh, Thomas. Your Thomas hat. There. Oh, look up Grampy.
That goes on
Show
your
Grampy
head.
your hat.
That's for you. It goes with your... Oh, yes.
Yes, that's Thomas.
And you're a certified engineer.
Fiona Elizabeth Mount is a certified junior engineer and ready to drive that train. That's Thomas, yes. And that says Fiona Elizabeth Mount.
And it was signed by Sir Topham Hatt.
Oh, don't wrinkle it. Don't wrinkle it.